up, everybody? Welcome to Brian's Badass Reviews. Today I am going to be cooking up some smash burgers and some papas on the new 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. I hope you guys were able to catch my last video where I assembled this bad boy. As you know, if you saw the last one, I upgraded to the 36-inch, and this will be my first video cooking on this bad boy. Let's let her rip, Tater Chip. Kick the intro! Alright everybody, keeping it real simple today. Gonna cook up some smash burgers. I admittedly have never made smash burgers. I've made hamburgers a million times, but they look delicious, so we're gonna try it out today. So I took my papas here, guys, threw them down, got them in a nice thin layer here. Just gonna cover them with a bunch of oil. Just want them to cook up real nice. We want them to get nice and crispy. These are gonna be our French fries. I'm going to be pretty generous with the oil here. We want them to fry just like you'd fry them up in a frying pan. So they're already frying up pretty good, guys. I got the burner on low. The other side over here, I'm going to throw some bacon down. Going to add just a little bit of salt in here. I'm also going to throw a little bit of seasonal and a little black pepper on them. Right where this bacon is going is right where I'm going to cook these burgers, right in that nice, delicious, healthy, wonderful bacon grease. This bacon cooks up super quick too. Go ahead and give it a nice flip there. It's already crisping up. Ooh, that's already looking good. Now, we like our bacon nice and crispy in this house. We're not a soggy bacon crew. We like it nice and crispy. Get these potatoes ready, I can flip them. Throw down a little paper towel in the tin pan here. That'll help catch that grease. Now, some of y'all might think that we're burning these potatoes here, but we're actually going for that crispiness. They're actually kind of looking more like a potato chip. I'm gonna throw down the butter and the burgers, and we're gonna squish them, and we're gonna have ourselves some smashed burgers. they look like they're burnt, guys, but they're actually just very seared very well. They're still gonna be very juicy, lots of flavor in there. This one's for the doggo. The rest of them are for us. So I'm gonna pull this off, guys. I'm gonna get all this grease and it's gonna go right out the back here, which is freaking awesome. There's the bacon and the papas and then Axel's hamburger. It is hotter than the hubs of Hades down here, guys. So that's pretty much it. I've never tried making smash burgers before. I hope they're not burnt. I hope they're good. I don't know if I overdid them or not. I like my burgers usually medium rare, but I think smash burgers are a little bit different. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to do just another round of oil on there. I'm going to let that burn off and then wipe it all down for a final cleanup, and then it's good to go. So freaking awesome. Blackstone Griddle, 36-inch. Cleanup is super easy. You know, I'm used to cooking on the 28. I would say the 36-inch is gets a lot hotter. I think you can experiment with maybe not having all the burners on. Maybe leave 2 on and 2 off. Kind of experiment with your hot and your cool zones. Thing works like a champ. It heats up so quick. It cooks so nice. Do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, I'd love it if you consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. I got new videos coming out pretty much every single week. And, you know, hit the like button. You guys know what I like to say. You gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'm out. Peace.